Good morning, all of you. See, last class we had seen quartile deviation and mean deviation. Now we are going to see the standard deviation. See, standard deviation is the square root of arithmetic mean of the square deviations of all the observation taken from their mean. It is denoted by sigma. So it has three datas. One has to be the raw data. Raw data formula for standard deviation is sigma is equal to square root of summation x squared by n minus summation x by n to the whole square, or sigma equal to square root of summation d squared by n minus summation d by n to the whole square. Here d is nothing but x minus x bar. See, group data or discrete data. See, group data formula is nothing but sigma is equal to the square root of summation fx squared by n minus summation fx by n to the whole square. And continuous data equal to standard deviation equal square root of summation fd squared by n minus summation fd by n to the whole square into c. See, where n tends to be the number of observation and x tends to be that given observation, and capital N is sum of frequency and d equal to x minus a divides c. C is the width of class, and so these are the very important formula for the standard deviation for the three data of the series. One as raw data, grouped and continuous data. See the next, coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation. See, the coefficient of variation we are assigning to be CV. So it is called as CV. CV is the relative measure of the standard deviation. Standard deviation, which is given by so CV is equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. Here x bar is nothing but mean. Sigma stands for standard deviation and x bar is equal nothing but mean. Now we move on the problems. The first problem, find the standard deviation of the following data. Two comma 3 comma 5, 12 and then 13. See here, first it is to be the raw data. The raw data formula for the standard deviation is sigma is equal to summation x squared by n minus summation x by n to the whole squared. So in this one, if we want to know the sigma means we know the x squared and sum of n x. So assign this data is to be in x. So given observation is to be x and we are going to find that x square also. Why we need to calculate? In the standard deviation we know the sum of x and sum of x square, and here n is nothing but the number of observation. N value is to be 5, this is to be the number of observation. So here these two tabular columns we need to calculate the standard deviation for the raw data. Now make a square of 2 is nothing but 4 and 3 has to be 9. If a square of 5 is 25, 12 has to be 144 and 13 is 169, the square values. Now add those things. This is nothing but 8, 10, 10 and then this is 22, 22, 35. 25, 30, 35. Next add those things, 13, 13 and then 18, 18, 27, 27, 31, 3. So 13, 13 to 15. So 351. Now n equal to 5 here. The standard deviation is equal to sigma square root of summation x square is 351 divides 5 minus 35 divided by 5 to the whole square. Now the square root of 351 divided by 5 is 351 divided by 5 is 70.5. 70.2, sorry, 70.2 minus this has 5 ones are 5 sevens are 7 square is 49n. So now 70.2 minus 49n, we get 21.2. Now what is the square root of this one is? The square root of 21.2 is 4.6043. Therefore the standard deviation for the given question is 4.6043. So thank you students. If you have any doubt, please comment me, I will help you.